Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix CookieRun OvenSmash app error, and the error is can't download CookieRun OvenSmash. Try again, and if it still doesn't work, then see common ways to fix the problem. So if you are getting this error while installing CookieRun OvenSmash on your Android device, then here follow the fixes. So the first step is to clear the cache and data of Play Store and Google Play services. So open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, then tap on app management, and here search for Google Play Store and tap on it. Then tap on force stop and confirm it. Then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then click on clear data and then again click on delete to confirm it. Now this will not delete any apps installed from Play Store, or it will not delete any data. Now go back. Now search for Google Play services and tap on it, and then click on force stop and again tap on force stop to confirm. Then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache. Now go back. Now just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on get started. Then tap on search and search for CookieRun OvenSmash and tap on it, and then click on install button to install the game. As you can see that CookieRun OvenSmash is getting installed on my Android device. Now if still your problem is not solved in your case, then it could be possible that CookieRun OvenSmash app is not available in your country or region as of now. So just wait for some time and later you can check back. And if still your problem is not solved after checking back later, then in that case update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if you find any updates available for your device, then download and install them, and then you can open Play Store and check for CookieRun OvenSmash app is getting installed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve can't download CookieRun OvenSmash app from Play Store on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.